Hey everybody, in this video I will show you a comparison between Squarespace and Wix in 2024. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. Before we start, I recommend checking out the link in the description box to create your account on Squarespace and Wix. Let us start with an overview of the basic features and usability of both platforms. Wix's dashboard is user-friendly, offering basic marketing, SEO, and analytical features. Squarespace, on the other hand, integrates its settings, permissions, and website management directly into the website editor, providing a more consolidated approach. Now, let's delve into the website editors. Wix features an unstructured editor, allowing for extensive customization. You can freely add sections and elements anywhere on your page. Once you get into your Wix account dashboard, you will find Setup, Home, Site, and App, Store Products, Orders, Gift Card, Subscription, Loyalty and Referrals, and Contacts. Also, you'll find Sales Channels, Settings, Apps, CMS, Billing and Payments, and many more useful options. After that, click on Edit Site from the top right corner. This might take some time to load. Meanwhile, let me tell you some advantages of using Wix. Wix is designed for users who may not have coding skills. It allows individuals to build a website without the need for coding knowledge, enabling a broader audience to create professional-looking sites. Wix offers a wide range of professionally designed templates that cater to different industries and purposes. Users can easily customize these templates to match their branding and design preferences. Let's head to Squarespace. Open up its site and click on Edit Your Dashboard. It adopts a structured editor where elements fit into the predefined rows and columns. While Squarespace maintains flexibility, it offers a more guided and cohesive approach suitable for beginners. Once you click on the Edit button, it will show you the site styles on your left hand. Here, you can manage the style settings that appear across your entire site. It provides fonts, colors, animations, spacings, buttons, forms, and image block. After that, click on the Site Styles option from the top right corner of your website. Squarespace provides a selection of professionally designed templates that are visually appealing and modern. These templates cover various industries and styles, allowing users to create a polished website without extensive design skills. Squarespace features a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the website building process. Users can easily add and arrange elements on their pages without needing to write code. Comparing templates, Wix boasts a vast gallery with a multitude of customizable options. Squarespace, though fewer in quantity, offers consistently high-quality templates, ensuring a polished and professional appearance. You can edit each section, make it bold, set its alignment, and apply all other functions. Let us check on our Wix site if it is loaded. It is already, so let's see what we can edit here. Wix also facilitates building landing pages without headers and footers, catering to a specific promotional needs. Squarespace, however, lacks this feature. So, if you tap on the title of your website, you'll be able to change its text settings, such as styles, fonts, size alignments, shapes, and anything. On your right-hand navigation bar, you'll find an Add section, in which you have plenty of useful options. These are used in your website or can be used, such as you can add team, contacts, features, business info, services, and many more. In the Wix market, you will see so many categories such as ads, mobile, analytics, socials, SEO, engagement, site listings, email, and conversion. In terms of features, both platforms cover essential like photo galleries, maps, forms, and audio players. However, Wix excels in certain aspects, such as intuitive photo galleries. Then, in design elements, you can get maps navigation, privacy and security, clock, page templates, image effects, buttons and menus, banners and badges, calculators, and search. Under the communication section, you will find forms, blogs, polls, chat, comments, CRM, and many more. Go into CRM from here, and you can generate as many pages as you need based on a single layout. Squarespace, on the other hand, provides a more curated set of features, ensuring a higher level of quality. Moving on to specific features, Wix offers live chat directly within its platform, while Squarespace requires integration with a third-party provider. Regarding pricing, both Wix and Squarespace starts at $16 per month on an annual plan. However, Wix may have bandwidth limitations based on the plan, while Squarespace offers unlimited storage. Wix provides 3 different plans: Business VIP, Business Unlimited, and Basic. For podcast websites, Wix stands out with the video and media integrations, providing a more visually appealing experience. Both platforms support e-commerce features like digital products, print-on-demand services, point-of-sale systems, and more. In blogging, Squarespace takes the lead, offering a superior blog editor with additional features like Instagram feeds, galleries, newsletter forums, and event tickets. Concerning mobile version, Squarespace performs better due to its structured editor, ensuring better organization and presentation on mobile screens. Security features are similar on both platforms, with SSL certificates and PCI DSS compliance for secure transactions. Both platforms prioritize security monitoring and bug bounty programs. In summary, for beginners or those seeking a more guided approach with high-quality templates and features, Squarespace is recommended. On the other hand, Wix is ideal for users who prioritize extensive customization and creative liberty. Feel free to explore both platforms via the links in the description. This is it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.